Hello everybody, today we're going to be making an iOS 7 application for the iPhone. So first what you want to do is you want to open up Xcode, and if you don't have Xcode you can go ahead and download it from the Mac App Store over here. It is free and is very simple to download. So once you open it up, we're going to go over here and press create new Xcode project, and we're going to select iOS application, single view application. We're going to press next, and I'm going to name this YouTube tutorial, and you can go ahead and erase the username and leave the class prefix empty. And the company identifier, you can just do self.edu.yourname and press next. We're going to go ahead and check create Git repository in case you want to update it or upload it to GitHub. So press create, and this is the main thing where you select all of your settings. We're not going to do anything with this right now. So first we want to go into our main.storyboard, and what we're going to be creating is we're going to put a label here, a button, and then a text field. And when you type in the text field and press the button, it's going to update the label to what you typed in the text field. So first let's go ahead and get a label. We're going to drag it in up to the top. Let's make it nice and big, and we're going to select it and put it right there, drag it down a little bit, and we're going to center align the text, and let's go ahead and make the font, let's say 30. So if we do that, then we can go ahead and get our button, and we're going to drag it in here under the label, and we can change the text by double clicking, and we can type in change text, press enter or return, and align it again, and let's go ahead and make this equal to nothing, and let's put in our text field, drag it in under the button, make it a little bit bigger, and let's go ahead and put the placeholder text as enter some text, and press enter there, and so that'll show. And so now we're going to hold down the option key and press on viewcontroller.h, and it'll open up our dual editor. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the label over here, and we're going to hold control, click on it, and drag this blue line right under the interface. And we're going to keep it at outlet. We're going to name it label. We're going to keep the type UILabel and storage type strong. So press connect. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to select our button. Do the same thing, hold control and drag it under. We're going to change this to an action. We're going to name it button. We're going to change the type to UIButton, leave it at touch up inside, and sender, and press connect. The last thing we're going to do is connect our text field. We're going to drag it up again, leave it at outlet, and name it text field. And we're going to leave it at UITextField and strong. So we're going to go ahead and exit out of this, and we're going to go over to our viewcontroller.m file to make the button actually do some stuff. So the first thing we're going to do is type self, which is going to be, it's going to relate to just the button when the button is pressed, dot label, which is going to access our label that we put on the storyboard, and we're going to press dot text, and that is going to change the text of the label, and we're going to set it equal to self.textfield.text. So what this does is when we type in the text field and we push the button, it's going to put the text field's text into the label's text. Next, we're going to put opening bracket, and we're going to say self resign first responder. And what this is going to do is when we press the button, the keyboard won't stay up, so it won't be in the way of our app. So let's go ahead and run the application. And when it opens up, we will see, we gotta let it load. There we go. Alright, so when it opens up, we can type on enter some text, and we can put in, let's say, does it work? And when we press change text, it'll put this up here. Oh, but it doesn't put the keyboard down. Let's see. Here, let me get back. Alright, sorry, I figured out the problem. You have to do self.textField. And what this will do is when the text field is doing it, it will put down the keyboard. So let's go ahead and run the application again. Just press stop if you left it running last time. And when it opens up, we can now see when we enter some text. So does it really work? And when we press change text, it'll go down like it planned, and the text comes up. So this should also work with any numbers or anything you type in. So if we press change text, it'll. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, and if you would like to see more of these kinds of videos, please comment which of the following videos you would like to see next, or give me a new idea that I might be able to do. And goodbye.